Hey guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So this is another YouTube takeover of one of my friends, but I had a couple people ask how it works. So I'm just gonna really quickly let you guys know how it works in case any of my friends are watching and they want to record their own video for my channel. Basically, I give you full freedom of what you want to record. I do not tell you what to record. I can give you ideas, but most of the time you guys just think of what you want to do on your own because you have an idea plan and that's why you ask me to do it. So Sarah decided to bake cookies at 2 a.m. on her own. I didn't tell her to do that. It was her own idea. So yeah, anyways, this is Sarah baking cookies at 2 a.m. Enjoy.
Alright, hi everybody. This is a video for Caitlin's Corner. And this goes out to Noah. I heard you wanted some more baking videos, so here I am with it. Alright, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. So, first, I'm going to soften the butter in the microwave because I didn't leave it out because it was in the fridge, which is okay. But anyways, we're gonna melt that. Well, not melt it, but soften it up a bit. Also, it's currently 1:30 in the morning. Try not to wake up my parents by making these cookies, but it probably will happen. So if they do, it'll be funny if they come and interrupt the video, am I right? I'm gonna take it with me. We're gonna preheat the oven. Censor that out, Katie.
Gotcha, Sarah.
Wasn't supposed to let the microwave go off. But I don't hear them. Okay, so now the butter is all softened up here. Nice and softened up. We're gonna put it in the mixer. Alrighty, so here's a different camera angle. We're gonna get all the rest of this butter out of here. You gotta get it all in there, up in there. Yep. Oh, that's number 3. That's number 3. I'm sorry. Alright, now we're gonna add in the sugar and the brown sugar. Alright, so we got our brown sugar here. Oh, by the way, the butter was 1 cup. It's 3/4 cups of brown sugar and white sugar. So we're just gonna do that real quick.
Where's the life at? Where's my shot?
Just gotta make sure it's packed down a bit. Put it in there. White sugar.
I don't wanna go. Nothing's alive.
3/4 cup of that. Alright. And now we're gonna put in, actually maybe I should mix that. We're gonna cream the butter and the sugars together. This is gonna be loud. Sorry, Mom.
Just leave my love behind me.
Next plan, we're gonna, maybe I should just cream. He's probably gonna put some music in here, but just thought,
Thanks for the tip, Sarah.
me singing would be even better, right? Alright, so now that that's all creamed together, we're gonna get it off the mixer a little bit. There. Now we're gonna add in some vanilla. And I don't really. I don't really measure the vanilla just because it's not that important. plus vanilla. It's not gonna make it taste bad, right? So, and then we're gonna mix in a little bit of salt. And then it's 1 egg, so we're gonna add in the egg. Now, I don't remember if I can crack it with one. I think I can. So we're gonna crack it. I did it one-handed. No eggshells either. Mix in this little eggy here. Oh, there is an eggshell in there. Fail.
A few moments later.
Alright everybody, sorry for the inconvenience. Somebody actually did come downstairs. But now I got a sausage. They went back upstairs. And we're back. So, now we're gonna put in the flour and the baking soda. I can't do this with the sausage in my hand. The flour, you need 2 cups and 1/4 cup. All about the precise measurements with the flour. So we're gonna add in 1 cup and we're gonna mix that up for a bit. The other cup. Alright, so now we're gonna let that mix again. We're gonna add in the 1/4 cup. And just so I don't overmix it, we're gonna stop right now. We're gonna add in a teaspoon of baking soda. On my sausage. It's literally covered in flour. I don't know if you can see that. There's a teaspoon of the baking soda. Just gonna put that in there a little bit. And then we're gonna mix this again, once again. Alright, so now it's all combined and I just don't wanna overmix it. So we're gonna get the rest off of, here, I'll lift it up. We're gonna get the rest off of this, the actual mixer part. The beater, I don't even know. We're gonna get it off there. Alright, I don't really measure the chocolate chips either, but every time like they put a certain amount, I feel like it's always too much. Sorry. I think I have ADHD sometimes. So I'm just gonna add in, just guess, you know. Right, so now we got that all folded in. And we're gonna bring it over to the stove. And we're gonna get out 2 cookie sheets. Oh, number 4.
Sarah, that definitely was not number 4.
2 cookie sheets. And then we're gonna line them with parchment paper. Clean your stations, everybody. This is an example of a clean station. Okay, we're gonna scoop this cookie dough onto the cookie sheets. 2 spoons. Just kind of plop it on there. You feel me? You feel me? Just a little chunk, maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons each, you know? I'm not a professional baker or anything, so don't take it from me. However you guys want to do it, that's good. Or if you're just watching this because you're bored, that's good too. I usually don't make them this big. Here's the 1 sheet. 10 minutes. 10-minute timer. So yeah, we're gonna put them on the 2nd sheet now. It is now officially 2 in the morning, guys. 2 in the morning. And I haven't had a text complaint from my parents about the mixer yet. I have such a bad mouth. I get it from my mom. Alright. Now this one is done, so I'll show you this one. And we still got a little bit left, so there'll probably be another sheet that I'll show you. Yeah. Alright, so the cookies are currently in the oven. So now we're just gonna take a little snack break, and they're definitely gonna take longer than 10 minutes because I made them so big. I don't think I've ever made cookies this big before. But anyways, now I got a cheese string and another turkey sausage. We're just gonna have at her. Snacking with her. So, I don't have any TikTok dances to show off.
Honestly, I think she said that she doesn't have any TikTok dances to show off, but I don't really know, so sorry.
Just do some. My dog's gonna come around. She's gonna think I wanna play. Jessie. So yeah, here's my fit. Comment if you like my fit. So yeah, now we're gonna put away all this stuff. I forgot that I was checking out the cookies. I'm literally such a dumb. Swearing. Oh. I'm sorry, kitty. I'm such a blabbermouth, a big mouth.
Yeah, Sarah, I've noticed. It's 2 a.m. on Sunday morning, and I'm still editing this video because you're so much work, but I love you.
I'm gonna drop them. Oh, you have a good view of the cookies now. Here's the baked cookies. Here's the cookie dough I've been eating. Here's the second batch baking, and you can see my neon green apron. Alright everyone, so now we're gonna transfer all the cookies over onto the cooling rack. My kitchen does be having some good lighting though. Do you see this? Basically golden hour. Yeah, puzzle break while I wait for the timer to go off. Which I probably should be watching the timer to make sure it doesn't go off, but it's fine. I went out to Walmart the other day. I know what you're gonna say. I'm not allowed to go out because we're supposed to be quarantined in our houses.
Are you baking something at 2 a.m.?
Anyways, we're making my puzzle right now.
Alexis, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
It's like a lot of cookies.
And
It's 2:30 in the morning.
and when your 12-year-old brother comes down and makes fun of you for baking cookies at 2:30 in the morning. Anyways, back to my puzzle. So I got this at Walmart the other day, and you know, not allowed to go out, whatever. I don't really. This was an essential. This was an essential buy. I really wanted this puzzle. It's in a 1,000-piece puzzle. Doing it by myself. It's a vibe. We're vibing. The piece I've been looking for. Alrighty, bakers. So, last batch of cookies just came out of the oven. This is how they turned out. So, I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching Caitlin's Corner, and bye. My phone's covered in flour now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you want to follow Sarah on Instagram, I'll have her link down below. She unfortunately doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she most likely will be making a lot more videos on my channel because she really enjoyed it and I had a lot of fun editing it, even though it's literally taken me almost 2 days to edit this video. If you want to know her official swear count, it'll be right here on the screen. There was more. Let's just say I cut out probably an hour worth of footage. So, yes, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the little notification bell to be notified every single time I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure you watch out for that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.